나.
와,
可以吃啊。
你过来把它移到前面一点。阿尼。
Welcome to a day in the life of domestic chaos where the whiskers rule the roost and gravity is merely a suggestion. We begin our journey with an orange mastermind testing the structural integrity of expensive skincare products because why should humans have clear skin if cats cannot? Moving swiftly to the kitchen, we witness a calico connoisseur attempting to negotiate for a slice of pizza with a look that says I deserve this more than you do. Then there is the tuxedo contortionist demonstrating that bones are optional when there is a sunny spot on the hardwood floor to claim. We cap things off with the ultimate feline feat of strength, which is reaching for fried fish while maintaining total eye contact. It is a high-stakes world of counter-surfing and blatant theft that we just happen to live in.
No.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Behold this tiny potato who has zero thoughts behind those eyes yet clearly plans on stealing your heart and your socks. First he is just vibing on the rug, but then the giant hand arrives for some very necessary head scritches. The feast began with a single brave soul investigating the massive pile of orange delights. Within seconds, the feline radar activated across the entire house. One cat became 3, then 5, and suddenly it was a chaotic mosh pit of whiskers and wagging tails. This salmon buffet never stood a chance against the hungry horde. It is a seafood massacre of the most adorable kind. Bone apt at you fuzzy little monsters. Inside every humble house cat lives the powerful spirit of a legendary winter wolf. This orange tabby clearly dreams of prowling through the deep snow with his wild pack instead of sitting on a colorful rug. He imagines leading the family across frozen tundras and howling at the moon, but for now, he will settle for some treats and a long nap in the sun. at this ginger genius attempting to climb a wooden chair like it is the peak of Everest before deciding that a nap is much more productive. Then we witness a total feline meltdown where personal space becomes a completely forgotten concept and bodies just pile up in a fluffy mountain of purrs. Honestly, if you are not currently sitting in a plastic grocery bag or gently patting your sleeping human on the head to demand breakfast at 3 in the morning, then you are simply not living your very best life according to these cats. This orange loaf of chaos has zero ground clearance but maximum attitude as he trots across the kitchen floor.
See Dean? I see Castiel. What's up, Holmes? I see Rowena. Don't run. So let's see if Crowley and Gabriel, who fight all day, probably in their bed butted up. Oh, they're not butted up, but they just chilling. I guess they're getting some rest before the next brouhaha.
Meet the tuxedo cat who demands attention then immediately forgets how to be a normal animal.
What?
This fuzzy paradox starts by begging for pets with those big innocent eyes, but things take a weird turn the second a hand touches its back. One scratch later and we have reached maximum blutes to the moon. Why are cats like this? He is basically a living accordion at this point. Say goodbye to stinky boxes and hello to instant plumping magic. This moon cat litter turns liquid into solid balls faster than your kitty can judge your life choices. Pure feline freshness guaranteed.
Good at?
I like eating and sleeping.
Okay, and what are you not good at?
Everything.
Little Luna is clearly taking her new corporate orientation very seriously today. Her management has finally laid out the official home job description, and it appears to involve intensive mouse monitoring and high-stakes digital surveillance. She is currently undergoing rigorous training to master the art of the screen pounce. This entry-level position definitely requires focus, sharp claws, and nap breaks.
How many of those did you take?
I took 9. Yeah, I did, I think, slightly overcommit.
Behold the absolute chaos of the feline buffet line where structural integrity is a mere suggestion and personal space does not exist. These fluffy agents of mayhem are currently demonstrating why cats would never survive in a polite society that requires standing in a single file line. 1 minute you are looking at a serene calico and the next you are witnessing a blurry whirlwind of fur and questionable life choices. It is a literal mountain of paws and tails as they scramble for the top spot. If you have ever wondered what a crowded subway looks like if everyone had whiskers and zero manners, this is exactly it. Please send help or more snacks immediately.
MBG. Gemoy, mau kemana Gemoy? Tunggu, kan ke depan mau makan nggak? Minta MBG. Harusnya juga para kucing sekarang dikasih MBG sama pemerintah kan?
This calico cat perfectly captures the universal struggle of every employee on a Monday morning. She stares at that bottle of fish oil like it is a direct deposit hitting her bank account, yet she refuses to put in even a single ounce of effort. We all want the glorious payday rewards without the actual labor. She is truly my spirit animal for this long work week ahead.
Ampun. Cimoy. Ya.
Chocolate Kitten sees a tiny toy and immediately wonders if his whole life has been a fluffy lie. Watch this tiny striped criminal absolutely lose its mind over a single serving of gourmet mush. It starts with a polite sniff before evolving into a full-scale floor buffet. Who needs a yellow plate when the tile offers such a rustic dining experience? This fuzzy little vacuum is clearly operating on maximum hunger and zero manners. Bon appetit, you messy little legend, may your belly be forever round.